Okay, Richard measured the temperature outside his house during the day and drew a line graph. It's been cut off a bit. There's line graphs drawn here. This is page 21. These are the questions on the right hand side over here. So we're going to be answering some questions and interpreting this graph. So he goes, at what time did he take the first reading? So the first reading was taken, if you look at that graph, it's taken here. So 9, 8, if we go back another hour, that will be 7. So that will be 7 a.m. So that answer here is 7 a.m. What time did you take the last reading? The last reading was done, which corresponds to, so that gives you 7:30 p.m. because that's 7 o'clock here, it's halfway across. So that's 7:30 p.m. So we're just doing some of the easy questions first. What was the temperature at 9:30? Now, I'm going to use a different tool now. So 9:30, I'm going to start at 9:30 from here. I'm going to go up to the line and go across. Okay, my line. Okay, so that should be roughly, it should be 8. I think there's a little bit of discrepancy in the photocopying of the copy of the graph. It should really go straight up. But I think my copy is a little bit bent, so apologies for that. A little bit, the graph is not level, so that's why my line's slightly off. But the correct answer is 8. So let's write down. Okay, at 1 p.m. Sorry, at 9:30 a.m. it was 8 degrees centigrade. So now we got to go for 11:30. So we can use the box again, different color this time. 10, 11, 11:30 is here. So again, the graph is slightly out because the graph is not level. So that's the way I'm going to use. Okay. Well, let's use a different technique. Give me a moment. And do that. Let's pause the video for a second. So 11:30 gave us an answer of 12 degrees centigrade. Okay, so for 3 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. we also need to go up to here and then go across. Okay, let's give that and put some proper lines on there. Okay, let's come back now. We're going to look at question C. Because there may be more than one answer for the following questions. At what time was the temperature 6? So I'm going to use a line function. Line. So let's get to 6 degrees. So we got 4 6s here. And draw a line all the way across the graph. Flip back to pen. So on that line, how does the line cut the graph? It cuts the graph only one time, and it cuts the graph right here. So it says that what was the temperature at 6 degrees? So 6 degrees we started at, and we're going to come down now from there. At what time was it? 6 degrees. It was 8:30. So this one will be 8:30 a.m. So now next one goes 20 degrees. So let's change our color for our bar. Okay. So we go 20 degrees here. We go all the way across the graph. That's the line that represents 20 degrees. Now, what do we find? Okay, let's get back to our line. We find that the line cuts the graph in how many places? 2 places. 2 places. So if you look over here now, we draw a line straight down here. It cuts at at that point and this point. Okay, so we got 2 answers for 20 degrees. For 20 degrees, we have an answer of 1 p.m. and we have an answer of 3:30 p.m. Because at those 2 times is the temperature at 20 degrees. So it does say to you that you might have more than one answer in the question. So we got the following questions. We got 12 degrees to do, 18 degrees, 11 degrees, and we got 21 degrees centigrade to do from the graph. So we need, sometimes we will get 2 answers. Sometimes we will get 2 answers. Let's rub off some of these lines now so we don't confuse ourselves. Let's get a rubber. Okay. Okay, it looks like the rubber doesn't want to work on that. Let's go back to our pen. We can now delete it. We don't need it anymore. Okay, right. The 20 degrees line has been used up as well. Okay. Okay, right. So we've got the following questions to do. The 18 degrees and the 21 degrees. So 12 degrees. So this was 12. So we go across at 12. We get our line function. And we have a blue color. Let's change the color to a purple. 12. Straight across. Now, we can see that that line will cross the graph in two different places. So if we select the line function again, and we choose a different color, okay, like red, so the graph cover cuts here. So if you come down from there, that's 11:30. It also cuts here. If you come down, it will cut at 6 p.m. Okay, so we got two answers. 11:30 and 3:30 for number 12. So let's write those down. 11:30 a.m. and we have 6 p.m. as well. So for 12 degrees, which is along this line over here, the 12 degrees one, it comes down in two different times over here. Okay. Let's get rid of these lines. And there's the answer. Okay, done. So we'll get other questions for these as well. Okay.